Hi there guys, it's Joseph Skywalker. I got 2 more videos to get out tomorrow, but before I get them out, I have 1 more video to do tonight that I got at Target tonight. We're doing an unboxing, because I got myself a new Black Series figure. And you're never gonna see, guess what it is? Misa Jar Jar Binks. Misa not like you. So yeah, so there's the box, pretty cool. And we're gonna get it out. We're gonna open it up and see what we're dealing with. This will be a pretty short video, but it should be a fun one. I just gotta get the packaging. Sometimes these packagings are tough a little bit, guys. I hope you guys are having a good night and everything. So, out of the box, and now dealing with the other 2. Okay, so sometimes these things are weird because they get cut. I guess you got accessory. He's got the boom boom. And he also comes with a nice design for his shield. If you guys wanted yourself a Star Wars Captain America shield, looks like that. Pretty dope. And then here we got a little staff. Comes with 2 pieces, so we can put it together if we want. Right? So, let's get that together real quick. So the staff slides in like so you want him to hold it like that. Oh, it fell. Give me a second, guys. I'm going to get this figured out real quick. So if you want the staff on, you just got to make sure it gets on correctly. So now the staff is on, and you can give it, and he can have his little staff. So there's where his accessories. You have to deal with him. Ah, okay. Plastic is done. So the plastic is now coming off. And so here we have it, guys. Misa Jar Jar Binks. Misa not like you. Oh, Annie. So there's Jar Jar. Let's get him his cool weapons. Check out his articulation. This is a pretty awesome Jar Jar Binks action figure. He has his staff. He can bend his legs out crazily. Right? So that's pretty cool. Alright guys, thanks for coming to my video. I hope you guys have a good day. I wanted to bring this to your attention so that you could know that I would be doing an unboxing today, and I should have more videos for you at some point tomorrow. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you guys next time, including tomorrow, because we'll have lots more videos tomorrow. So, alright guys. We'll get more videos tomorrow, and I hope you guys have a good night, and we'll see you next time in the next video.